C6 Corvette 3LT package, 17,000 miles. I consider myself a very lucky person. And you take your transmitter and plug it into the end. And now you can play all your music on your phone. All the music that I've saved. You have complete access to maps. I'll get one up here. Pick a destination.
Head northwest on Hundredge Drive toward Elk Run Drive.
It's absolutely perfect. Plus, you can answer any calls on your steering wheel controls. Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product. It'll be the best $90 you've ever spent. Thanks, Wesley.